Hello my crypto people. Now me your girl Iduh Onome. I dey here to yarn now waiting there on top this program Crypto Matter from Crypto TV Plus. My program today I go explain wetin peer-to-peer network mean. Peer-to-peer na dey be P2P. So anywhere where you see P2P network, make you know say na dey be peer-to-peer network. But before I go talk plenty about this peer-to-peer network, make I first explain wetin network itself mean. Network na group of device wey be say dem dey connected to each other to exchange information. E mean say the essence of this network na to dey give out information or to dey collect information. And na two ways you fit connect this device. You fit connect am with cable or make you connect am wireless. The network wey dey use pass na client server network wey be say na single person or one company dey manage and control all the information wey dey for there. But e get small problem. The problem be say person fit thief or hack all your information since you no get 100% control over all your information for this traditional client server network. Now, make we look how this client-server network dey different from blockchain technology. Client-server network dey controlled by one single point to keep all their information, but blockchain